Good day everyone, we are now in Ardent Hibok-Hibok Spring Resort, nestled at the foot of the active Hibok-Hibok volcano in Camiguin Island. The Ardent Hibok-Hibok Spring Resort is one of the island's most popular tourist attractions, known for its natural heated pools, surrounded by a lush greenery and serene landscapes. This hot spring resort offers visitors a perfect blend of a relaxation and adventure. In this journey, we invite you to explore the soothing waters of Ardent Hibok-Hibok Spring and discover why it is a must-visited destination of your trip to Camiguin. Guys, sa Mindanao, ang Camiguin ay located just a few kilometers from Ambahaw, a capital town of Camiguin. Ardent Hibok-Hibok Spring Resort is an ideal spot to unwind after a day of exploring the island's many wonders. As you approach the resort, you'll be greeted by the tranquil ambience and the sound of gentle flowing water. The spring is fed by underground volcanic heat from the Mount Hibok-Hibok, creating natural warm falls that are perfect for soaking and relieving stress. Alin na mo diri, hinay-hinay na tag-adto para makaligo na ta. The resort boasts for several falls with varying temperatures, allowing visitors to choose their preferred level of warmth, whether you prefer a mildly heated soak or a more intense hot spring experience. Ardent offers a pool that caters to your comfort. The warm water is rich in minerals and believed to have therapeutic properties, making it not only relaxing but beneficial to your health. It is the perfect way to soothe sore muscles, improve circulation, and rejuvenate your body after a day of hiking and sightseeing. Makikita nyo naman guys ang area kung saan comfort ang mga tao sa paliligo. Dito po makita natin yung falls are surrounded by a beautiful landscape gardens with towering trees or vibrant flowers and tropical plants, creating a peaceful natural setting. As you soak in the warm waters, you can enjoy the calming view of nature, the fresh mountain air, and the sounds of birds chirping. The atmosphere is both relaxing and invigorating, offering a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Tingnan mo yung tao, ang sarap-sarap na naligo at makikita nyo naman na tuwang-tuwa sila sa makakarating dito sa lugar na to. Kaya, for more adventurous, the resort serves as a starting point to treks to Mount Hibok-Hibok. If you're up of a challenge, you can embark on the hike to a volcano summit where you'll be rewarded with a stunning panoramic views of the island. After your hike, you can return to the spring to relax and unwind, making Ardent an ideal stop for both relaxation and adventure. As you explore the resort, you'll find that it offers not just a place to relax, but also a way to connect with the island's natural beauty and volcanic history. Ardent Hibok-Hibok Spring Resort is a reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped Camiguin's landscape, and it offers visitors a unique opportunity to experience the island's geothermal wonders. Whether you're visiting Camiguin for its stunning beaches, waterfalls, or volcanic landscape, a trip to Ardent Hibok-Hibok Springs is a must. It is a place where you can relax, recharge, and experience the healing power of nature. So don't miss out of this gem of attraction. Pack your swimsuit. Bring your friends and families. Immerse yourself in the warmth and tranquility of Ardent Hibok-Hibok Spring. Guys, Samahan niyo po ako sa pag-ikot dito po sa Hibok-Hibok Spring Resort in Island of Camiguin.